Welcome to the download.
Downloading.
Hi, I'm Elijah. Welcome to the download. Today we're going to look at a cool exercise, syncing up your video. Syncing up your video means syncing up what's being shown on screen to what's being heard in the voiceover to better match the video altogether. Upon generation, our AI does its best to sync up the video, but any further editing of the sync can be done in our Waymark editor. First, make sure you choose your video that you're going to sync up. Next, head over to the voiceover panel. Note, you're going to want to make sure your voiceover script is set. So any other changes or adjustments you want to make, you'd want to do now. After your voiceover is set, you're going to be able to click through the voiceover script and see what is being shown on screen with what's being heard in the voiceover at the same time. So, for example, Express Lane has you covered. This is what's being said in the voiceover, but what's being shown on screen is this text here and this asset in the back here. So to sync up your video, all you have to do is click through the voiceover script box, word by word, scroll down to the section where this image here and this text box here appear on the right hand panel of the editor, and make your edits to better match up the sync. So for this says Express Lane has you covered. So I'm going to write Express Lane has you covered. You can then continue through the script of the voiceover and look at each shot and frame second by second, word by word, to make sure everything you see on screen and everything you hear in the audio matches. Any other syncing you're going to want to do can always be done on the right hand side. Another example is if you just want to match what's being shown on screen more so as an asset and less of text. Neighborhood go-to for convenient shopping. But we just see a shot of a town. Let's see if we can find another shot that's a little bit more neighborhood-like. Ooh, maybe this one here of a family. That way now we're including more of a neighborhood style shot and more convenient shopping as well. Now pick your video, make sure your voiceover script is all set, and get to editing. Have fun!
Downloading.